If you've purchased or are thinking about getting the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, here are 5 essential tips and tricks that you absolutely need to know. Now, the first thing you should try is the double pinch gesture. This is your go-to move to interact quickly with your most used apps. You can double pinch to snooze your alarm, you can start, pause, and resume your stopwatch. You can also pick up calls and chat over your watch, just like you would with your phone. It's useful for all the times that you can't use both hands, like when you're driving or biking. It's usually set by default, but if it's not, you can go into Settings, tap into Buttons and Gestures, scroll to the Gesture setting, and look for double pinch and toggle it on. If you scroll further, you'll see other additional features like the knock-knock gesture. Just make a knocking motion with your fist to launch any app you want to set it to. You can activate the flashlight, or a great one that you can combine with the double pinch gesture is the camera controller app. Knock twice to activate and it'll turn on your phone's camera, which you can then see through your watch. Just do a double pinch to take a photo. Perfect for photo shoots. There's also shake to dismiss in gestures, where you can just twist your wrist and turn off an alarm or end a call. Next up, you can now customize profiles. Select the contact in your contacts list. When you open one up, you can see Create Profile Card. You can pick any photos from your gallery. You can tap on the name and customize the font, thickness of it, and choose a color. When someone calls you, you can quickly see who it is and double pinch to pick up. You also now get suggested replies, since you know how much easier it is rather than typing on your watch. Now, what if you take off your watch and suddenly lose it? First, go to the Samsung Find app on your phone. It's pre-installed on most phones. If not, you can download it manually. On the app, under Devices, you can select your Watch Ultra and tap Ring Your Watch. The Ultra speakers are huge, so it'll ring really loudly, making it super easy to find your watch. What happens if you lose your phone? Don't you worry. From your watch face, simply swipe down to Quick Settings and swipe left to the phone icon. Tap it, and your phone will start ringing instantly. Problem solved. You can also make sure your phone's always near you. Just go into Settings and tap on Advanced Features. Under Disconnection Alerts, toggle on Full Screen Alert with sound and vibration. Once this is on, whenever you leave your phone behind, your watch will start to vibrate, make a sound, and even send you a message saying that you've disconnected from your phone. Next, my favorite one yet, the Track Back feature. When you're walking, hiking, or finding a parked car, start an activity from the get-go on your watch. And if you ever lose track of your location, swipe right during the activity, tap Settings, and Track Back. It will guide you back to where you started. And if you ever lose your group, you can press and hold down on the quit button for 5 seconds, and it'll activate the Ultra Snooze Siren. It's super loud. This can help other people find you easier and faster. Plus, if you want a flashlight without pulling out your phone, set the quick button to activate the torch. The flashlight is crazy bright. You can also adjust the brightness just by using the digital touch bezel. With these tools, you'll never lose your devices, your way, or your confidence. One thing you can try is when you're on Spotify, you can tap on this phone icon, select your phone, and change it to this watch, and then tap on Watch Speaker. This way, you'll be able to play music out loud, directly from your watch speakers. It's super useful for when you're cleaning your house or exercising. Forget the pods. Lastly, a parting tip. Keep your health in check with the Energy Score feature. Essentially, you can measure your body's battery. Just swipe left on your watch, tap on Energy Score, and here is where you can see all your Energy Score factors. For best results, you need to wear your watch for 24 hours the first time to establish a baseline, and 7 days after for deeper insights. Your score is based on sleep duration, sleep consistency, and sleep heart rate. So, whenever you're feeling low, you can go into this feature to check out what's affecting your energy level. Move your watch slightly higher up your wrist, swipe to find the body composition widget, and tap measure. Confirm your weight, then place your middle and ring fingers on the top and bottom buttons like this. And in seconds, you'll see estimates for muscle mass, fat mass, even body water percentage. While it's not 100% accurate, it gives a solid snapshot of your overall health. This is a quick and easy way to stay in tune with your body. The Watch Ultra is packed with even more hidden tricks waiting to be discovered, and these 5 tips are just the beginning. So if you've been using the Galaxy Watch Ultra, let us know what are your favorite features in the comments. And if you're considering getting the Galaxy Watch Ultra, let us know what features excite you most. Until next time, bye-bye.